To add your digital card to Apple Wallet, start by opening the relevant app and navigating to your profile, which is typically located at the bottom right corner. From there, select the payment card option, where you will see a list of all your added payment cards. Tap the Add Card to Apple Wallet option. Then click Add to Apple Wallet when prompted. You will be required to verify your identity. So tap the Send Code button and enter the code on the next page. Once verified, tap the Done button. Next, you will be prompted to add the card to Apple Pay, which involves entering your name and card number. Then tapping the Next button. You will then be presented with terms and conditions, which you should read before agreeing to them by clicking the Agree button. Your digital card should now be visible, and you can choose to set it as your default card or click Not Now. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully add your digital card to Apple Wallet.